Look at this. I just want to show you what happens here when we lengthen this car again. Watch what happens to the back. Look how these panels disappear. There you go. I've never seen that before, have you? This is the Renault Morphus, that's what it's called. Okay, next thing to point out, right here, we have this facial recognition technology here. That's how it's going to know if it's you approaching the car, and then gesture technology as well to open the door. All right, got to show you inside as well. Come take a look. Look at this, it has optical art on the floor. So from this side, the floor is black, and then if you turn around this side, the floor is yellow. This here, the tops are made from recycled yogurt cups. That I've never heard before either. Now come around here. Look what this does. Okay, I've got my little phone here. Okay, this is wood, you guys. It actually retracts. Look, it kind of swallows your phone. Look at that. So it recognizes your phone and it goes, right, you're the driver, cool, I've got all your settings, no worries. So now your phone is part of the car. Okay, this right here, this center console opens up. Kids in the back for entertainment. And these things here, look, all around this chair, you've got this kind of surround sound on this side as well. So it kind of cocoons you in sound. Each passenger, look. This whole dash moves. You can have multiple screens in front of you. And this will show you where you're going, the GPS. And this is all your internal controls for the car. Then drive. Okay, off we go. The floor's a bit squeaky because we're in a design studio. But we're heading outside now. Look, I can see its reflection here. It's sexy. I really like it.